Welcome everyone. Today we take you on a journey to a snake farm dedicated to rescuing these magnificent creatures from various villages. Our goal is to raise awareness about these misunderstood animals and the importance of their conservation. Here you can see these snakes raising their hood and trying to bite each other as they got angry. It's important to note that poking or provoking snakes can be harmful and is not recommended. Snakes, especially the king cobra, are known for their defensive behavior. Our intention should always be to observe and understand rather than to incite aggression. As we move forward, we witness a positive aspect of the work done by these dedicated rescuers. They play a vital role in the conservation of these reptiles, ensuring their safety and eventual release into their natural habitat.
observation
Here you see a rescuer handling a snake with care and expertise. This interaction is conducted with the utmost respect for the snake's well-being. It's a testament to the importance of education and understanding in promoting coexistence between humans and wildlife. As we conclude our journey, let's appreciate the efforts made to rescue and release these snakes back into the wild where they belong. By supporting initiatives like these, we contribute to the preservation of our planet's diverse ecosystems.